self-doubt and self-esteem, does not having a lack of that, does it make it harder for you?
Like so many things, I think what you need is a balance. If you have no self-esteem whatsoever and no confidence, then how are you going to find the balls, frankly, to put on a trade, to start the day, to put on a trade? But then overconfidence leads to overtrading and big losses. So I think what you need to be is a realist. So you need to have the self-starting to put on a trade to start your day, but then also not to have the overconfidence that if it goes against you, cut it, move on. I think a detached, cold realist is probably what you need to be. I think a lack of self-esteem, you ain't going to go anywhere. And, you know, I'm a big hotshot. I can't use the city term, but I'm a big hotshot because it's too rude. I'm a big hotshot. Overconfidence isn't going to help you at all either. I think a cold, unemotional realist is what you need to be.
The lack of fulfillment that traders experience when it comes to feeling constructive and productive. What can one do about that?
Well, actually, if you look at capitalism, allocating what is limited capital, you know, capital is a scarce resource. That's what people forget. Capital is scarce. And the allocation of that capital in an economy to where it can be used best is actually one of the most important roles. And never forget that is a really important role. You know, you look at the Soviet system or the communist system, one of the reasons it failed so spectacularly is because politicians are the very last people on earth that know where to direct capital. They are utterly incompetent at it. I mean, China is another example of wasted capital, wasted state capital in state organisations, state-sponsored organisations. It's another great example. So actually, it's only a little cog in a very big wheel, but the importance, and traders and fund managers and salespeople, the whole city is part of that process. The whole financial services industry is part of that process, ensuring ex-growth companies have capital taken away from them and growing companies have capital pushed towards them. That is one of the most important roles a capitalist economy can undertake.